How to print Autocad. So first of all, locate the icon of Autocad on the left top corner in here. Just click on it. And then from the drop menu, just find print, click on select print, and then click on plot. And once the plot pops up, do some adjustment first. Under the plot style table, choose the option CAD.ctb. Just click on it. Let's say okay. And for the printer, just change the drawing to PDF. Just click the option. Click the option drawing to PDF, and then for the paper size, I usually use A4 paper, so I'm gonna pick A4 paper. It doesn't matter. We have two types of 4 paper, so I usually use A4 paper 210 times 297. And from the drawing orientation, I usually pick portrait, and of course I need my drawing to be located at the center of my paper. I usually check the center. The plot, so center the plot should be checked, and also should be fit to the paper, right? And I usually make sure that the unit of the drawing and the unit of the plotting should be the same. So I used to use millimeter, so I'm gonna keep millimeter. And then after that, I can select my drawing, so I can go on the plot area. I'm gonna take window. So after that, I can select any part of my drawing that I want to print. And before I print, first of all, I'm gonna go and preview, and I'll see how my design looks like. Okay, so this is how my design looks like. So I can use the pen to navigate through my design, and you can see everything has been aligned properly. So if you want to make any modification, you have just to cancel this paper and then try to do more modification.